Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a calendar in Outlook. As you can see, I'm using the 365 version of an Outlook, and if you want to share a calendar, you need to go to your calendar, which is this icon, looks like this. Maybe you have it on the bottom or on the right side or on the top. Just click on this icon. If you're in the main screen of Outlook, just go to calendar. And then once you are in your calendar, you want to go to share calendar. If you don't see this ribbon, it's probably it have collapsed. So maybe you have view like this. So what you want to do is just go click on home, and then you can click share. But every time you click somewhere else, you need to go home. So to lock this up, you just click always show ribbon, or maybe you have simplified ribbon. It looks like this. Anyway, you need to click just share and select the calendar you would like to share to someone else. Maybe you have a lot of calendars or whatever, if you want to share just one. So just click on this specific calendar. You cannot share many calendars at the same time, so you will need to do it again, and do it again with another calendars if you want to share them to multiple persons, or just multiple calendars to one person. So yeah, click on the calendar. Then you should be in a calendar properties, and in a permissions section. Maybe you're in a general, so just click on the permissions, and then you want to click add. And as you can see, you need to select from which address book you would like to select some contacts. So I'm going to contacts, and as you can see, I do have only one contact in my contacts. So maybe you have a lot of contacts, and it's gonna be easier just to search for specific contact, like John or maybe Paul, and they will come at the top of the list right here. I have only one contact, so I don't need to search for anything. You want to click on this person and just click add. You can do the same by double clicking on the contact. So you can also select multiple contacts, so maybe you want to share this specific calendar to many people, so you just select the amount of people and the amount of contacts that you want to, and just click then OK. As you can see, now in the permissions, I'm currently sharing with HardReset, and I can change his permissions from can view on can edit this calendar. So I just want to make him view my calendar, not to edit, so I'm selecting only can view. Then what you want to do is just click apply and OK. And voila! This is how you share a calendar in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider a subscribe. Bye!